That's when the light bulb went out. I said, wow, our company shouldn't just be about detection. It should be about operational efficiency. It should be about how can we give the time back to the SOC.
Companies are made of people, and what I love about Exabeam is that really everybody that you come in contact is just super dynamic. They do what they say, they're committed to their partnerships, they know where the industry is going, and it's really like being on a rocket ship.
So what you're getting in the box right now, I want to take that and elevate that to the next level. What I'm hoping to do is not only give you some ideas, but also show you that it's very easy to do. It's not daunting, it's not going to take a lot, and you can really start doing it quickly.
You know, the best part about these events is customers learning from other customers, not from us. It's not about our product, but how they can make their security operations better by learning from each other.